nga daghay mga students nga ang ilang skills are not yet improved, so that means daghay na nga bagsak. Oh.
Kanay talk ko. Diba, ma?
Okay?
So, ang kung ano sa experience mo ma'am, ay uban di makakuha sa skills. Base sa gadgets. Musunod maawat na sila.
But wala ba rin sa ERS, so ba rin laboratory or activities nga kung mabagsak, diba, tagaan mong chance man nga mag-reset. So, kainyo din experience to improve essential skills. That means, is your study conducted para ma-improve ang ilang skills? Ha? Para ma-improve? Is that your purpose? Na you're going to conduct the study para ma-improve ilang essential skills? But you only wanted to know the impact, di ba? But to improve, that means that mag-conduct mong activity nga para ma-improve. Yun ana, inyong study? Ha? Mo ba na inyong study? Oh, no. So, I suggest, be careful with your choice of words to improve, ha? Kaya ang inyo naman is to assess ninyo ang what? Unsa may impact kung namoy activity sa ERS, unsa may impact ani sa what? Sa competency sa estudyante. So, mika impact pwede man negative or positive. So, ayaw mo pagbutang og to improve kay murag naatay assumption nga wala na improve, di ba? Unya tingalig mas subjective ta ani. Remember, when we conduct research, you have to be objective, you have to be fair. So, kay mika to improve na natay presumption ba nga o wala ra ba yun na sa inyong introduction nga what? Nga wala na improve. So, your basis here. So, restate the word improve, ha? Siguro to assess the essential skills, diba? Instead nga to improve. Okay, to assess, di mo makabalo kung na-improve ba or wala. Nakuha ninyo? Okay, kung inyong to improve, nag-conclude na tadaan na wala. Wala na-improve ang skills sa students. So, siguro to assess essential skills. Kung kag-assess, fair ta. No? Fair ta kay may kag-assess, di na to may bawaan kung what? Improve ba? Or na-acquire ba ang skills? Or wala ba na-acquire? Is that correct? Okay. In your SOP, okay, you have demographic profile, age, you have sex. Then, number 2, ni-ask din mo impact. Pero, nag-ask ba mo unsay mga practices? What are, for example, the ERS practices that are conducted in order to conducted that will also be aligned sa mga expected skills? Nag-ask mo?
Yes, ma'am, sa paano sa sample question na naman ay
Aman.
like ma'am,
Sa SOP, naaba mo'y question nga, unsa may mga ARS simulator practices that would, that would also address to the competency level SOP.
So, like, ma'am, improvement, understanding of engine room operation, ma'am.
SOP ta, SOP. Naba mo'y question. Did you ask about unsay mga ERS practices? Kay, daritso naman mong impact. Wa pa itakabalo unsay mga ERS practices. Naamoy question sa SOP? Number 3, more on effectiveness. Take note, unsay din yung purpose? Impact or effectiveness? Oh, ganun you focus more on the effectiveness. So I suggest in yung number 2, you ask about what mga ERS practices that also kanang meet the competent expected skills of the students. So dapat yung number 2, you ask on what are the ARS practices. Dayon, number 3, diyan na din mo what are the impact, no? What are the impact of using engine room simulator practices to the respondents. Kaya dapat masa mo unsa may mga ARS practices conducted, no? To improve the answer conducted. Then man, number 3, what are the impact of using engine room simulator practices to the students? Dapat namoy dire in terms of, di ba may kag impact unsa may effect, no? So dapat naamoy variables diha in terms of asa man nato pananglitan unsa kay mga impact of using the engine room simulator practices, unsa may focus di ana, just like gusto ba mo may mawaan kung ang ilang expected competency skills na ba na, di ba sir, na about troubleshooting man na, no? Mga troubleshooting min ana. So unsa man na siya, is that considered as the operational skills? Operational skills ba na siya, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so pwede na nyo 3.1 in terms of operational skills. Kaya di ba, kay mag-actual man mo kung naguba o sa umana ninyo pag troubleshoot. Di ba, operational skills na siya? O, 3.2, unsa pa man ka ha? Lahat po ng technical skills, sir. Operational, actual.
Hindi. Ang operational, saan pag-operate?
Oh.
Yan, ang technical, ito na yung actual na
So, appeal po na siya, sir, no? Ang technical skills sa ARS.
Makuha ko na.
O, pwede po na siya in terms of technical skills. So, gusto niyo kabalo kay you're talking about competency level man. So, gusto niyo makabalo kung kabalo ba sila mo troubleshoot, kabalo po ba sila mo actual operate. Mo man na, sir, no? Sa ARS. O, pwede na ninyo butang operational skills, technical skills. Pwede ba na siya, sir?
Pwede naman.
Okay. Competency man. So, competency man. So, ang inyong questionnaire, kana inyong, what is the impact man? So, ang inyong dading mga choices, ana, is you research on the Likert scale on impact. Okay. Ang inyong dading questionnaire, ana, sa operational, just like, I can, what? I can troubleshoot, so, what happened? Yun yung mga choices, ana, is high impact, moderate impact, yun, ana, ang inyong no impact, muna ang inyong choices. So, research on Likert scale on level of impact. So, muna din na inyong choices. Kay impact man, so, kung sa impact, pag kuan nila, operational skills, so kabalo din mo nga, naabag yun siya, na ba siya impact yun sa ilang skills, operational skills. Nakuha ninyo? Dayon, ayaw na ning effective. Nga naman, dili naman na focus sa inyong study. Kung ikag effective, another study na po ni. So, I suggest inyong SOP number 4, statistical question. Is there a significant relationship between the profile of the respondents and the impact, no? And the impact of the use of engine room simulator. Oh, so para part 3 rataman yung questionnaire. Ang SOP 4 wala na nay questionnaire. So, ang inyong hypothesis, usaba na ni, wrong na ni siya. Inyong hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between the profile of the respondents and the impact of the use of engine room simulator. Na, dayon ipa-check na sa inyong statistician, inyong SOP number 4 and hypothesis. Is that clear? Okay, so, okay na tana. Okay, you can take your seat. For your significance of the study, kindly improve ka ng sa din, ha? Ayun, nga nung nabot naman mo effectiveness of my study and how this practices. This is about sa din. So, nga nung nagamit mo mga may. So, focus on unsa may importance of your study to the din, ha? So, usban na. Also, sa maritime instructors, who said that assessing the efficiency of engine room simulators can assist instructors in improving their teaching techniques. Why? Nag-focus ba dito sa teaching techniques sa what? Instructor. You focus more on the acquisition of skills man sa students. So, i-improve ni siya. So, siguro, the outcome of the study can help the instructors, mga design, practical activities para mas ma-improve ang competency level sa students, not on the teaching technique sa teacher, ha? Kaya di man na atong focus ang ilang teaching techniques. More man ta, dapat focus more on unsa may mga practical activities or practical practices nga. By the way, include ha in your definition of terms kanang practices. Are you talking, when you say practices, are you talking about mga activities conducted in ERS? Ha? Okay. Para mas maklaro ta, ana. For your definition, significance ko ana ng school, kay nga naman, naman mo'y administration, napagod mo'y din. Ha? Kung ana na siya, you can tanaw ninyo kung ninyo masulod ang uban. For research methodology, by the way, ibutang ninyo sa separate next page. This is about descriptive approach. Environment. For your environment, isa lang ka picture inyong ibutang ani asa may mas klaro ani nga, ha? For your respondents, I want you to include, refer to your statistician what sampling design you're going to use. Diba? Nag-ask na ko ninyo ani, i-ask ninyong statistician what sampling design kay siya'y makabalo ani. Ha? So, dapat idugang na siya. By the way, for your statistical treatment, ayaw na ibutang ang formula. So, do not include the formula. Then, kinigay sa inyong Likert scale, dili na very effective. Katong high impact, moderate impact. Then, you ask your statistician the range. Panangtan, 1.002 in ana. Ha? Pangayot mo ana niya, 1.002, unsa man na siya. That means no impact in ana. So, pangayot mo scale or the range. Ask the range to your statistician. Muhatag ra na siya. Definition of terms. Students, i-separate ang definition sa competency and proficiency. So, one, competency. Another one, proficiency. Kailahi na sila, ha? Kagiusan ninyo. By the way, in your definition, you shorten 1 or 2 sentence will do. Kay taas ka inyo, ha? So, 1 or 2 sentence could be your definition. So, references, can you follow the format? I have here indicated, dapat single space, dayon. Arrange the family name in alphabetical order. Ha? Kaya nag-start mo din sa full. Letter Z na. So, arrange in alphabetical order, single space then. Indented, so you have here na kabutang kong sample, ha. Ang first line taas, kung na mo'y second line, mas gi-indent siya. Ha? Na ako'y sample dire. Then make sure all dagan kay mo nabutang nga references, just like in your related literature, related studies, pero wala sa inyong references. Inyo na ibutang tanan. Okay? So those are all my comments and suggestions. So make sure you are going to follow my comments and suggestion, after which inyo tong fill outan ang matrix of revision. So nag-post na ba ko, no? Matrix of revision. Okay, mag-post ko Dayon, fill out, then pagkahuman, the revision should first be checked by your advisor, then ako. Ha? Then afterwards, you send in Microsoft Word for integrity test. Okay? So for now, I'm going to give the floor to your advisor for some comments or observations.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, kanang final na gabi or ibalik na ko sila ko.
Di na sila mo defend, mag-revise na sila.
Mag-revise na lang kasi. Okay. For a comment lang niya, that's what I observed. I should do the research. Your time management, also the group effort and support on each other. Punta, magtinabangay din. Comments po na po related sa introduction. Kaya sa minimum, you must relate the title to your introduction. And also check the relationship between your title and your legal basis. If magkuhan ba sila, mag-coincide, magtago ba, magtugma sila. Then, the respondents will be based on the next semester's enrollees. Ayaw sa mo sa diri kay nagkuhan naman mo. Yesterday, I already told you na sige, padayon na lang mo. Total, proteksyonan man na ni ma'am kaysa ako lang. Hindi na po ninyo daan sa ako pa lang, di ba? Daghan yung kayo comments. Then mag-wait na lang sa comments, then revise mo. Okay. So, mo lang to akong ikuan just to have time management and group effort, support each other.
Okay, thank you for that. So, allow us to rate first, ha? By the way, I'm going to create the classwork final exam. Katong instruction, gani, iban-basang to na ko. I'm going to post it, then, leader, make sure to turn in your revised chapter 1. Kaya dito na ko input yung score. Ang score is, I'm going, as what is in the classroom, i-add ni na mo, then divide. So, that will be your score for final. So, don't forget to turn in the final, ha? Allow us first to Uma, sir, 1 p.m. ta, sir, ha?
1 p.m.
Panel ka, sir. Kang kuan section.
Sa Simbe.
Kang Sir Duliasen. Friday ta mo ay the board government education. Human na matanan kay sa with your proposed study on the impact of engine room simulator practices on the competency level of these smart students. Okay, the proposed topic is approved and the decision is okay. Congratulations, you have passed the proposal hearing. However, however, there is still a need for you to to improve, revise based on our suggestions. So we are returning to you the manuscript for your basis of the revision. Then fill out the matrix of revision. Mag-post ko, ha, after this, mag-post ko for you to fill out as soon as possible, then revise as soon as possible. Ka-Sir Simbit, iduula rin yung Sir Simbit, ayos sa karon, iya pa ng ansiran, ha, or comments or suggestions. So, let's have picture taking. Di, alam mo, Sir, pwede, nugot na ni Sir, kay May musunod ninyo ay.